Hello guys, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back to Xfinity. So in this video I will show you how you can connect internet from your mobile to the laptop, how you can connect your Android mobile phone to PC for internet connection, how you can connect internet from mobile to PC via hotspot. If you have Android version 7.0 or above, you can use this feature to broadcast your Wi-Fi. Alright, the purpose of this broadcast is to increase the strength of your Wi-Fi network. So first of all, you need to have an Android phone, and you need to let me show you. You need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network to make this process work, and you also need a laptop and Windows version. So first of all, what you need to do, first of all, you need to connect to a working network. After that, if you are using your Huawei or Samsung or Oppo or any mobile phone except iPhone, I will also make a video on uh, how to connect your internet from mobile to PC, from iPhone to PC. All right. So after connecting to a working network, you need to go to tethering and portable hotspot. If you are unable to find anything in your settings, you can search here. I will search hotspot, and as you can see, I have a search result in wireless and networks. Here tethering and hotspot, portable hotspot. Make sure you do not go to portable Wi-Fi hotspot. If so, you can see portable Wi-Fi hotspot and Wi-Fi bridge. You need to go to Wi-Fi bridge so that you can boost your Wi-Fi signals, but do not go to portable Wi-Fi hotspot. The reason behind is that it will use your data, your SIM card data or anything you are using. You do not need that, or else your all balance will be lost. So be careful. You need to find Wi-Fi bridge, and then all right. So then you need to go to set Wi-Fi bridge, and you can customize your name. I will set the name of my network as Xfinity, and my password will be Pakistan 123. All right. After you have configured your network name and password, you need to click on save, and after that you need to turn your Wi-Fi bridge on. After that you will publicly broadcast your Wi-Fi network. It will greatly improve your Wi-Fi signals. So let us dive into my PC, and let me show you whether this is working or not. Alright fellas, so I am in my computer, and I have successfully set up a Wi-Fi connection using my mobile, which is connected to a working Wi-Fi, obviously. So in order to connect Wi-Fi here, what you need to do is you need to go to a wireless networks, and you can see the name of my network Xfinity, and let me connect it using my password, which was Pakistan 123, as you can see, and I need to click on next and click on yes. As you can see, I'm currently connected to Xfinity, connected and secure. Alright, let me go to the browser, and let me search here Google, and as you can see, my internet is working like a charm. So Google is here, everything is working fine. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. If you have any problem, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.